Good morning, students. My name is Prasad. I think most of you know me well, where I have taken IIT classes last year for you all. So, without wasting much time, we'll move on to chapter 4, Exponents and Powers. A brief introduction about this topic in this session. Okay? Let us see some introduction. So మనం ఈ చాప్టర్ లో పర్టికులర్ గా చాలా వర్డ్స్ రిపీటెడ్ గా యూస్ చేస్తుంటాం. సో let us try to habituate those words, those terminology in this session. Okay, first repeatedly we'll use exponents. ఈ వర్డ్ మనం ఎక్కువ రిపీట్ చేస్తుంటాం. All these words which I'm going to write now. Powers and base, and the last one is expression. Okay, all these four will repeatedly use in this chapter. First of all, what is exponents? And most of you get confused. Chala mandi confused avutaru. Exponents, powers rendu same kada. What is the difference? Let us see what is the difference. The difference ఏంటో చూద్దాం. Exponents ఏంటి, powers ఏంటి. See, if you take 5 cube or 5 to the power of 3, okay, here this 5 is called base, and this 3 is called exponent. Okay, 5 is called base, 3 is called exponent, and this whole ante 5 power 3 is called power, which means 5 power 3 is equals to 5 into 5 into 5, which is 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, which means 125 is called power. So I think now you got the difference between the exponent and the power, right? Okay, so we have already completed these three. Exponent is nothing but which stays at the top, the right upper side of the base, and the power is nothing but the whole term, the whole thing is called power, and the base is the one which will be here. Now, what is expression? Asal expression ante enti? Expression ante briefing, I mean unnadanni elaborate cheyadam with a particular meaning, complete full ga man danni expand చేసేదాన్ని we will call expression. So in mathematics, expression అంటే a finite combination of symbols, a finite combination of symbols. So to see an example, as we have taken here 5 power 3, 5 power 3 ni oka expression la form cheyandi ante what we'll do, we will write it as 5 into 5 into 5. This is an expression, right, which exactly indicates this one. 5 power 3 ni ela rayalo alage raskunte that will be forming an expression using finite combination of symbols. So మన 5 into 5 into 5 రాయకుండా 5 power 3 ని 5 into 5 plus or minus 5 అని రాస్తే that will not be an expression. అది expression అవ్వదు, because these are not finite combination of symbols. ఇది finite combination of symbols కాదు, right? Finite combination of symbols అంటే ఏ సింబల్ ని యూస్ చేయాలో అదే యూస్ చేయాలి. మనం వేరే సింబల్స్ పెట్టుకొని రాసేసుకుంటే that will not be an expression. right? అర్థమైంది కదా? So simple. If anyone asks you what is an expression, tell them that simple using finite combination of symbols. Okay? Finite combination of symbols without changing the meaning. Okay? మనకి ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ని యూస్ చేసుకొని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా అన్ని కరెక్ట్ సింబల్స్ యూస్ చేసి ఒక మీనింగ్ఫుల్ గా ఫార్మ్ చేయగలిగితే దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఫైనైట్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ సింబల్స్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద basic need which we need to move on to the chapter exponents and powers. Okay, so before moving into the exercise we move on and mundu what we should know one more thing, that how many types of exponents are there. You know, exponents are two types. One is types of exponents. We have two types of exponents. One is positive exponents. Two is negative exponents. Positive exponents and negative exponents. You know how a positive exponent will be looking like, right? We'll take the same example. Positive exponent will be 5 power. We are saying that positive exponent and negative exponent. Okay, we are not talking about base here. Exponent will be here, the top one. So positive will be same 5 power 3. And negative exponent will be, can you write this? No, right? Because this is negative is to the base, not to the exponent. So that is wrong one. 5 power minus 3 will be the correct one. Okay? So minus 3 is an exponent, which is negative exponent. Plus 3 is a positive one, which is positive exponent. Okay, we will be having these two types of exponents, positive exponent and the negative exponent. Okay, so this is the one you should note before we move on to the topic. So we'll start our exercise from next session. Okay, this is the end of the session, and if you have any doubts, you can ping me in WhatsApp. I will answer to the question. And before we move on to this next exercise, first exercise, I want you all to know the formula what all we have in this particular chapter. Formula is very important. Formula is very important for all the chapters. Okay, because all the sums will be based on this formula. Okay. So, end of the chapter, you will be having some formulas. Apart from that, if you miss anything, formulas, I will be telling you. I have seen there are only few formulae. I will tell you the remaining one. So, before that, you go through that, all the formulas, and by hand them well, write them twice and thrice, practice them. Okay? And after you know that, then we will go to the first exercise in the next session. Okay, as I told you, if you have any doubts, just ping me in the WhatsApp. I will answer your questions. Thank you.